So this problem requires that you are familiar with the three different types of integral formulas here that we wrote. We proved some of this in class, so but by this time you should know already how they appear and how they are derived. Okay, so our goal is to rewrite the original problem into something like this, one of these three. Okay, to be able to do that, we will need the property of 0. And what is this? If I add 0 to any number a, the answer is still the same number a. Adding 0 doesn't change the value of the quantity. And then completing the square, if I have ax squared plus bx, to complete the square, when I say a square, this must be of the form either a plus or minus b squared. Okay? And so it must have a middle term. To create the middle term, what we're going to do is, to create the term here at the end, we're going to divide b by 2 and square it. Okay? So that's how we will square, we will complete the square. Factoring, this would be something like this, a plus b over 2 squared. And when you expand this, that should equal to this trinomial. Okay, here we go. So obviously this expression here, this trinomial, is one of this. Okay, it cannot be the arctan because there's no square root. So it could be either arcsine or arcsecant, but we notice that there is no outside function here. There's no outside u. So by default, this must be an arcsine problem. So we're going to rewrite this into something like this. Here we go. Negative x squared minus 14x minus 40. Well, I noticed that if I add a 9 and subtract a 9, I'll be able to transform this into a perfect square. So if I subtract a 9 and add a 9, I'm literally adding 0. So I'm not changing the value of this original trinomial. Writing that now, I can say minus x squared minus 14x minus 49 plus 9, which I can rewrite as 9 minus x squared minus 14x minus 49. You know that this should still be equal to the original trinomial, and we can verify. Minus x squared minus 14x minus 49 plus 9 is minus 40. But look what I'm going to do. I'm going to rewrite this as x squared plus 14x plus 49. Again, this should equal the original trinomial. If you remove the parentheses, this will become negative and we get the original, which we can write as 9 over x plus 7 squared. Okay, now we can rewrite the problem as dx over the square root of 9 minus x plus 7 squared. So you can see that this is your a squared and your u squared is x plus 7 squared. So we can write a is 3 and u is equal to x plus 7. So the problem now becomes arcsine u over a, so x plus 7 over 3 plus c. Your answer.